Kate here at WTI, and if you're looking to light up your outdoor space, these solar lights from ILANCK are an awesome addition to your yard. So what I love about them is the quality, first of all. They're nice and sturdy. They have an anti-rust coating on them, so even being outside in the elements, the rain, the weather, these are going to hold up really well. Of course, being solar powered, all you have to do is leave them out in the sun. They will naturally charge up. As long as you have the switch turned on, it will automatically turn on when the sun goes down. It has a nice glass enclosure, really beautiful lighting, nice and bright. I love the caged look. It's just really stylish in this black color as well. It's easy to stake into the ground, and then you're good to go. So we have a few of these around our basketball court. We have a few of these leading up to our outhouse. It's really nice to light your way no matter where you are, or to just add some beautiful lighting. So if you are also looking for some outdoor solar lights that will stake into the ground, I think you'll be thrilled with these ones, and that's my point of view.